I want to see how fast the S5 Mini and how good can it play the PUBG Mobile, the Lite version of course. This device has only 1.5 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of storage, so yes. Now it's 2024, so yeah. Let's to clock, so to have a good timing, let's reset it. So let's go to PUBG Mobile, let's start it. Here we go. Okay, allow. Just to have a good understanding of how fast the device will boot to the game. It's 21st second. Okay, it's going. It's taking its time. Yes. Anyway, it's going. It's going. Okay. It's going to launch. Yay! Under 1 minute. Here we go again. So. Just to have a clear understanding of how fast the device will go. You can see it here. Okay. Thermal song 65. Nice job. What the name was it? Okay. So you go on for you. This is the first initial boot to the game. Okay. So wow, it's taking its time, really. If you want to play on S5 Mini, you need to do it slow. Well, I'm not going to put Google, my own Google security here, the Google account. I've done something. Yes. Wow, it's taking its time, dude. Really. Mm-hmm. Yep. Six. No, 4. I know what I know. Just read it. So this is the first. Well, I might go fast forward a bit in the video because you are not going to read all of this time. Oh my god, dude. Well, I just want to see the setting now, how they are. Yay! It lagged on the first screen. What the f- Here we are going to see the button. Oh my god, that's not bad for 2014 device. By the way, it has a lot of wow. Well, this is not the Android 6. So yes, this is a custom ROM. And just see the display compared to 15 Pro Max. Just see. I don't think that someone is going to game on this game. If it does, leave a comment, you are alive. Here it started. Like, it's not bad. What the flip is this? Guys. Well, I have a good video, hopefully. We are going to play a bit PUBG. See if it lags. Even though, if it don't lag even while playing on the gameplay, that is interesting. Well, it has high FPS, which just to see. So yes, high FPS setting on. It's going to be for sure 30 FPS, I think. Right, smooth plus high. Okay, smooth plus high is 30 FPS. Well, not bad. I don't know if he's going to stay on 30 FPS. Oh man, what the it doesn't render? What the heck, dude? Like, the render distance is so low. Oh my. Okay. Well, it looks like a 2014 game. Like, I don't know for you, but oh, it is lagging. Like, it is lagging like crazy. Oh my, no, no, no. This is not a game. Like, not at all. Like, if you want to use it, well, you might use it for. But this is PUBG Mobile Lite. It's not even the PUBG full burst. Come on, dude. Well, it's a 4.1-inch screen, so it's not going to be really a groundbreaking deal. Even when moving, guys, it's lag. Like, not most of the time, but sometimes. What the crazy man? He cannot shoot me. Like, are these bots in this game or what the heck? Like, you cannot shoot me. Well, the best thing you can do is to run. I'm not going to play the game, I'm just going to tell you the gameplay. So yeah, you can see. Well, you can see on the boss in the game. Like, are all playing on the S5 Mini or what? Oh. Oh. Okay, I said, I was thinking we could do it. Well, I think PUBG Mobile Lite is a good way to practice the PUBG on an old device. Well, I think this is 4.5. Just to see. Till you see the running. Sorry, mini. Well, specification. Yeah, it's 4.5. Yeah, 4.5 inches. 720p FPS. Oh, it goes just to 5.1.1. Why think that it goes to 6? I don't know. It might be wrong. Yes, Maria. I think it goes to 6.0.1. Like, I might be wrong. Yeah, I know. Okay. Well, it lagged, like, really. Especially just
Marked location.
like, come on, dudes, come on. How the heck you cannot kill me? Like, what the flip, man? Like, how the heck you cannot kill me? I'm not even playing, dude. Can I use, graphics? Yeah, you can do it. Smooth. Well, you can see the lag. I don't think you need to see anymore, but it's lag. Let's get out of the game, eh? Yeah. Well, it took only 3 minutes. 3 seconds, sorry. And by the way, this custom ROM has a cool feature that has introduced to yeah. It has an owl. It's one of the coolest. Oh, beautiful. So yes, as I said, it has a really, really working fingerprint. Like, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and to tap the ring bell icon. See you on the next videos. Peace.